Hello everyone, you're watching RDX Goa's news bulletin with me Leena Naik. To begin with, let's take a look at the headlines. BJP is taking the credit of approving 27% reservation for OBC, which was actually proposed by Congress government. Jitendra Deshprabhu. Chief Minister is fooling the people of Goa by his U-turns. Trajano Di Mello. And BJP government have provided international level infrastructure in field of sports for the first time in the history of Goa. Lakshmikant Parsekar. Now the news in detail. BJP is taking the credit of approving 27% reservation for OBC, which was actually proposed by Congress government, alleged Congress spokesperson Jitendra Deshprabhu. He said that the proposal for 26% reservation for OBC was proposed by the cabinet during Congress tenure in March 2006. However, the then Social Welfare Minister Sudhin Dhavekar suppressed the file for 5 years. Gautam Shirodkar reports from Panjim.
Today, there is a Bharatiya Janata Party government in Goa, largely because of the efforts that the Goan Congress people had put in to keep Goa independent and separate as a state. In September 2006, the Congress government in Goa passed a cabinet decision to bring the 19.5% OBC reservation to 26% OBC reservation. And the Congress was cautious not to include more and more communities to partake into this reservation. The Congress government thereafter increased the scheduled tribe reservation to 12%. But what has happened today, and this Bharatiya Janata Party government has done, is that they have given 27% reservation and increased the number of communities which will be covered under this particular reservation. So the pie of reservation has been cut into smaller portions for the OBC category. When the Congress government in September 2006 took a cabinet decision, at that time we had a social welfare minister who today is also a minister in the BJP cabinet. Mr. Sudhin Dhavekar suppressed this file for 5 years as the social welfare welfare minister, and that file did not see the light of day for the purpose of its notification. Today, he is the cabinet minister in the same in the BJP dispensation, but not having the social welfare portfolio. This file has surfaced, and this government is trying to take the credit for what the Congress government did as a cabinet decision. There was no further need to do that.
Chief Minister is always fooling the people of Goa by giving fake assurances, alleged NCP spokesperson Trajano Di Mello. He was speaking on the purview of the assurance given by Chief Minister to demolish the adjacent building at Ruby Residency area after the tragedy of Ruby Residency. He even said that Chief Minister is taking U-turn from his statement. Sanjay Munoli reports from Panjim.
Fool the people of Goa. At every time. The Chief Minister was on record after the tragedy that took place in Kankona, after the collapse of that building, that the adjoining building would be demolished. Yesterday he tells the press that he will not demolish those buildings because it will cost the state exchequer. When he is presiding over the loot of the state exchequer that is going on, which we have brought to the notice of the press several instances. When the Chief Minister made this statement that this building would be demolished, he thought that he could blow them down by blowing the air from his mouth. Did he not know that there would be cost involved in that? Whom is he trying to fool? Is he displaying himself as an IITian? What is he trying to tell people? He should explain what he has received from the builders to make this U-turn.
The new premises of Women and Child Development Director was inaugurated at the hands of Chief Minister Manohar Parrikar. The office earlier was in leased premises and space wasn't adequate. The cost of around 40 lakhs for shifting and renovation is borne by the owner of old premises. Sanjay Monoli reports from Panjim.
Totally crumble झाले बरे स्टिफनेस कमी पडटालो दिसता जागोय कमी पडटालो खूब कमी पण थंयच्यान आमी थंय सहजासहजी भायर सरूंक ना हें सगळें हांगाचें पळय फर्निशींग आहा हें आमच्या सरकारान ताका बरोवन धाडलें की तुमकां जर तूं तें खाली करूंक जाय जाल्यार हांगा जाग्यार शिफ्ट जाता पळय थंयचो सगळो शिफ्टिंगचो इन्क्लुडींग फर्निचर खर्च तुमी करा वीथ देवडात तांच्यांनी डेकोरेट करून दिलें फुकट.
ऑफिस जे असले ते एक तर पोन्ने बिल्डींग थंयसरले सिमेंटाचे बुरगे पडटाले आनी बारीक आसले एकदम आनी लोकांची कंप्लेन आमच्या स्टाफाचे जर कंप्लेन आसलेच पूण हे आमचे स्वताचे ऑफिस सरकाराचे जे बंद आसले इतकी वर्सां बंद आसले ताका लागून आमी जे त्या जे बिल्डिंगाचे मालक आसले त्या मालकान सांगून आमी बरे भशेन तेंच्यांनी आमकां रिनोवेट सगळे टायल्स सगळे आख्खे फर्निचर सगळे हे करून दिले आसा.
More news will follow after short commercial break.
जी फुलां काल देवाच्या पांयाकडे आशिल्ली त्या फुलांनी आज तूं त्याच देवाची भुई वाडटा. उदकान उडयल्लें प्लास्टीक आमच्यो दर्यादेगो पळय कितले बुरश्यो करता.
Under Goa Non-Biodegradable Garbage Control Act 1996, littering of public places with garbage shall be punished with imprisonment for a term of which may extend to a month, or with fine which may extend to ₹5,000, or with both. Persons in possession of unlabeled and or plastic carry bags less than 40 microns shall be prosecuted under Environment Protection Act 1986.
Presenting Goa's biggest family restaurant and bar. A well-defined ambiance that suits every age. Serving authentic Goan and multi-cuisine. A perfect place to celebrate every remarkable moment. Your all-time hunger satisfied here. Casa Bosco, above Cafe Bosle, near National Theatre, Panaji, Goa.
Lucky Enterprises Wholesale and Retail Shop. Designer sarees, designer salwar kameez, salwar suits, kurti, leggings, nighty and cotton collection. Shop number 1 and 2, Sweet Home Symphony, near New Railway Bridge, Margam, Goa. Contact 9158057860 9673497222. Lucky Enterprises. Hey, why are you so gloomy?
Arey, getting mad to locate what to give to my parents. I have to give my insurance premium this month, so the budget is also limited.
No problem, dear. You're probably not following the newspapers.
Why? What happened? What's special in the newspaper?
It's emotions, emotions and only emotion. An exclusive new brand store with all imported gift items, glassware, novelties, home decor, etc. They are even running Christmas and New Year bonanza up to 5th of January 2014.
First time in Goa. You get 10% discount on any purchase. Get an assured suit length or kitchenware on any purchase over rupees 2000 only. You get a complimentary dining voucher for 2 packs worth rupees 1000. Last but not the least, you get a chance to win a lottery for 2 to Bangkok.
Don't you feel it's one-stop location for all your needs?
Can you take me there now only?
Let's go.
Correctly said, it's the first time in Goa.
Just unbelievable and awesome.
सोबीत दिश्य अशें कोणाक दिसना. भांगार सोबीत काय वाडयता. भांगार आनी रुप्या वस्ती खातीर साळकार ज्वेलर्स, कदम बस स्टँड, पणजे. भांगार म्हारग जाला? घेव नाकात. गोल्ड प्लेटेड कांकणां, पाटली, पिचोडी तोडे घेयात. वैभव ज्वेलर्स, साळकार ज्वेलर्सा सामकार, कदम बस स्टँड, पणजे. हांगा क्रिस्टल माळो आणि हैदराबादी मोतयाय मेळटा. एकदा येयात आणि धादोशी जायात. साळकार ज्वेलर्स.
धुंद चांदण्या रात्री, रोमांच रोम अनगात्री, लाघवी तुझे स्मित, छेडती नवे गीत. चंद्रगीत, चंद्रगीत, चंद्रगीत. या माझ्या स्वप्न महाली क्षण रंगले, मन दंगले. जादू तुझ्या स्पर्शाची मी प्रेम रंगी रंगले. उमलली नवी एक प्रीत. चंद्रगीत, चंद्रगीत, चंद्रगीत. आतिथ्य आणि स्मित म्हणजेच हॉटेल चंद्रगीत. आरामदायी प्रशस्त एअर कंडिशन खोल्या, केबल टीव्ही, शॉवरची सोय. मध्यवर्ती ठिकाण पणजी म्हापसा महामार्गावर, परवरी, गोवा येथे.
Welcome back. The increasing rates of LPG is becoming a headache for common men, said Sant Andre MLA Vishnu Vag. He raised the question as to why the scheme and system implemented by central government is not functioning smoothly and effectively. He said that the common man needs at least 13 LPG cylinder per year. He was speaking during the agitation held by Sant Andre constituents outside LPG distributor's office at Pilar. Sanjay Munoli reports from Panjim.
वत खूप पडला आणि वत जशें चड पडटा तशें तगली चड तापता. पूण ह्या गॅसाच्या प्रॉब्लेमान आमची तगली तितली तापयल्या तितली ह्या वतान सुद्दां तापोवना आनी म्हणून आयज आमकां सगळ्यांक हांगा जमचें पडलां. हांव जर हांगा बोर्ड वाचतले गेलो, बरो बोर्ड बरयला बेस्ट भारत गॅस कूक फूड सर्व लव म्हणून. नायस बोर्ड एंड नायस स्लोगन. पूण थंय भितर वचत जाल्यार थंय लव कोण सर्व करिनात. कितें जाय कित्याक येयला कित्याक जाय हे लव ते हांवें विधानसभेन इश्यू काडलेलो. सेकंड असेंब्ली सेशन जेन्ना भरलें सांत आंध्रेच्या लोकांक कितले त्रास जाता हें सांगलें हांवें. आनी सिव्हील सप्लाय मिनिस्टर म्हणपा लागलो आपूण रोखडीच म्हणपालो चवकशी करता आनी जें कितें तें तुमकां सांगता. आमकां जाणा जावपा जाय सेंट्रल गव्हर्मेंटान जी सिस्टम केल्या गॅस हेची डिस्ट्रिब्युशनची ही सिस्टम इफेक्टिव्ह कित्याक जावना. पयली गोष्ट वर्साक 9 सिलिंडर इज द बिगेस्ट ब्लंडर. आनी म्हणून आमची पयली डिमांड वर्साक आमकां 13 सिलिंडर रायटफुली मेळपा जाय. 13च्या वयर जर लागले जाल्यार आमी ताका 1200 न्हू आमी 2000 रुपये सुद्दां दितात. 13च्या वयर लागले जाल्यार आमी घेता मागीर, पण आतां हाका ताका घेवनय, पूण मागीर सबसिडीचें नाटक करूं नाका.
Around more than 2 lakh people participated in Narendra Modi's Vijay Sankalp rally. Opposition even tried to stop people from participating in this rally. Some even pressurized Murgaon bus owners not to give their buses in transportation for this rally. Allegations made by Youth Congress of BJP disturbing the law and order are false and baseless, said the Murgaon BJP panel. Kiran Borkar reports from Vasco.
की जवळ-जवळ 2 लाख नागरिक अशा विजय संकल्प रॅलीक ते आयले. विरोधकांनी अनेक प्रयत्न केले की ही रॅली यशस्वी जावची न्ही, काही जणांनी बसी धाडची न्ही म्हणून प्रेशरायज केले वास्कोच्या बसकारांक, मुरगांवच्या बसकारांक. आज एनसीपी खास करून आणि काँग्रेस आज आरोप करता भारतीय जनता पार्टीचे की लॉ अँड ऑर्डर हांगासर मोडलेली आसा म्हणून. लॉ अँड ऑर्डर इतल्या पर्यंत की कितेंय जर जालें ताका बीजेपीचो लिंक लायतात ते. पयर जे घटना हांगासर चिखले जाली, काहीतरी 2 गटांच्या मदीं ती घटना जाली, दोगांय फ्रेंड, दोगांनी मारामारी केली, तकल्यो फोडल्यो. ही अत्यंत निंदनीय गोष्ट आसा. ते कोण तरी पर्सनल लायबिलिटी जाल्या, पूण तेजो लिंक कितें जाला आमचे माननीय हांगाचे आमदार कार्लोस आल्मेदांनी ते करून घडोवन हाडला म्हणून.
जुजे फिलिपान जे मोर्चा घेतलो, हे कसले मनशाचे मोर्चा घेतलो? तो कोण मनीस? तो सोशल वर्कर, प्रॉमिनंट सिटीजन, कोण तो? तेजी हिस्ट्री तुम्ही काढात पहिली. जी 2 ग्रुपांची झगडी जाल्या, दे वे फ्रेंड, ते दोगूय फ्रेंड पहिले, आणि त्याची एनसी आयज माझ्याकडे आहा. आयज 6 एनसी आहा त्याचे माझ्याकडे. त्या भुरग्याची समज तू बॅकग्राऊंड हिस्ट्री समज काढली, लास्ट टायमच सांगून तुका लास्ट गेल्या वर्सा फुटबॉल टोर्नामेंट जालो थंयसर चिकालीम ग्राउंडार. त्या रेफरीक तेणी असो मारलो, ती सुद्धा केस अजून चालू आहा. मारलो आणि तो क्लब चिकालीम स्पोर्ट्स क्लब अजूनही बॅन आहा, तो सस्पेंड केलेलो आसा ह्या भुरग्याक लागून. तेन्ना तुझे फ्लिपकार्ट आसलेलो, तेन्ना मोर्चा कित्याक काडूंक नासलेलो?
Kalangut MLA Michael Lobo have initiated work of painting and highlighting speed breakers in order to decrease the road accidents as they on high rise these days. Gautam Shirodkar reports from Kalangut.
Traffic safety हे very important जाल्ले आहा गोंयान. तुमी पयला आसतले कितले एक्सिडेंट जाता पळय ते. एवरी सेकंड डे देर इज अ डेथ, आणि हे डेथ जे आहा चडशे ट्युरिस्ट लोकूय मरता, आमचे गोंयकारूय मरता. आणि हे आमी प्रिवेंट करपाक हे सगळे प्रिकॉशन्स आमी घेता. स्पेशली सगळे स्पीड ब्रेकर आख्खे गोंयान पेंट जाल्ले ना, कित्याक एवरी 3 मंथ्स तेजो पेंट वयता. ऑनरेबल PWD मिनिस्टराक हांवें तेतूंतूच उगडास केला आनी सांगला ताका, आनी नोटूय धाडला. तेणें आमचे कॉन्स्टिट्युएन्सीक आख्ख्या न्यू पेंटिंग ऑफ स्पीड ब्रेकर्स दिल्ले आहा आनी तें काम चालू आहा. वी आर पेंटिंग ऑल द स्पीड ब्रेकर्स. ऑल्सो वी आर पुटिंग ग्लो सायन्स. So we request all the Goans and also the tourists to ride their bikes slowly and also drive slowly, especially where there are turns. तेतूच एक आरपरा 4 रोड्साचेर डेथ जालो on 1st of January, and that was a tourist. We are trying to widen that 5 road junction with a circle in the middle आणि एक traffic island थिंगा घालून तो speed breaker आणि वाढून थिंगा we want to slow down the traffic over there because more than 14 deaths have taken place. I request all the Goans to ride safely, drive slowly.
Let's take a short break. Stay tuned.
Established in 1974, the Pride of Goa Hotel Fidalgo, situated in the heart of Panjim city on 18 June Road, offers 4-star luxury. Live in style at lavishly designed rooms at affordable rates. 103 elegant rooms with the Fidalgo Food Enclave. Well-equipped venues for banquets and conferences with 6 halls to choose from. Escape from hectic schedules and pamper yourself at the health spa. Combining business with pleasure, Hotel Fidalgo.
Mallikarjun Caterers. We accept soft drinks, ice creams, veg and non-veg buffet orders for weddings, birthdays and other occasions. We also undertake pandal and stage decorations with lightings. Contact Anand Bandekar, Pansalam, Concon, Goa. Phone number 3130-178, 9823-524014 or 9405166141. Mallikarjun Caterer.
Link Point, advertising, communication, designing.
Offers for audio-visual production support.
Advertisement, films.
Corporate profile.
Documentary.
Weddings, conference recordings.
Audio recordings and dubbing.
Making of features and short films.
Shooting, equipment hire.
Call 9850089429.
750-7390-960.
हांव सांबाळचो ना जाल्यार कोण सांबाळतलो
राखपा गोंयची सोबीत काय कोण वावुरतलो
ही माती लागता म्हजी माय म्हाका तिची आपुरबाय
कुडीन येताना देवाक सांगलेले तिका राखतलो
कुडीन येताना देवाक सांगलेले तिका राखतलो
हांव सांबाळचो ना जाल्यार कोण सांबाळतलो
आमच्या भोंवतणी एकठांय जावपी गार्बेजी आनी कोणूच न्हय आमीच रिस्पॉन्सिबल आसतात
घुसपट जमनीची जाल्यार कोण विजवतलो
नितळसाणीन रावप हो आमचो अधिकार आसा पण त्याच बरोबर ती आमची गरज आनी जबाबदारी आसा
हांव सांबाळचो ना जाल्यार कोण सांबाळतलो
राखपा गोंयची सोबीत काय कोण वावुरतलो
ही माती लागता म्हजी माय म्हाका तिची आपुरबाय
कुडीन येताना देवाक सांगलेले तिका राखतलो
कुडीन येताना देवाक सांगलेले तिका राखतलो
Welcome back. Garbage has become a major problem in the city, and if we have to make our city garbage free, then we will have to work towards it, said Kalangut Sarpanch Joseph Sikwera. He was speaking after distributing dustbin to all the houses in the village by spending 8 lakh rupees from Panchayat funds. Gautam Shirodkar reports from Kalangut.
आज दुसरो प्रोग्राम आसा जो आमी एका एका घरान दोन बिनां दिवपाची केल्या आनी ही आमची गांव आमचो गांव एक गार्बेज फ्री गांव करचो केल्लो आसा आमी जवळ जवळ 8 लाख मोडलेले आसा थ्रू पंचायत फंड्स ही गार्बेज बीन हाडपाक आनी म्हाका सगळे पंच मेंबरांनी कॉपरेशन केल्लें आसा आनी आयज आमच्या डॉक्टर जॅक सिक्वेराच्या 47th ओपिनियन पोला दिसा आमी ही दोन बिनां एका घरान व्हरोन पर्सनली एकलो वॉर्ड मेंबर 3 दितेले दोन डस्टबिनां दितेले एक ड्राय वेस्ट एक वेट वेस्ट सो आमी हेजे फुडें मागीर आमी लोकांक सांगतले बाबा आमी कशे गार्बेज क्लीन कलेक्शन करतले ते आमी तशें थारायलां की सकाळचे आमी गार्बेज वेट गार्बेज काडटले आनी सांजचे ड्राय गार्बेज काडटले सो हितून आमकां सगलो लोकांचो तेंको जावो.
First time in the history of Goa, BJP government have provided such international level infrastructure in the field of sports, said Health Minister Lakshmikant Parsekar. He was speaking during the inauguration of stadium at Bambolim. He further said that this will be useful for the students of GMC for conducting various sports activities. Sanjay Munoli reports from Panjim, Gautam Shirodkar reports from Mapsa and Mandar Naik reports from Margaon for RDX Goa.
गोवा मेडिकल कॉलेजीत शिकणाऱ्या डॉक्टर विद्यार्थ्यांक रेजिडेंट्सांक ज्युनियर रेजिडेंट सिनियर रेजिडेंट्स आनी डॉक्टर्सांक तशेंच पॅरामेडिक्स नव्यान जे आमी इंस्टिट्यूट केल्या तितूंतल्या विद्यार्थ्यांक नर्सिंग इंस्टिट्यूशनाच्या स्टुडंट्सांक हाचो बऱ्या पैकी वापर जातलो तांची मागणी आसली आमकां स्पोर्ट्स एक्टिविटीज करपा खातीर कांय हें जायना म्हणजे नॅशनल गेम्स आनी बाकीचे इव्हेंट घेवपाक तर हे आसात पूण डे टू डे कामा खातीर मेडिकल कॉलेजच्या हजारो प्रशिक्षण घेणाऱ्या आणि पळय ताचो उपयोग निश्चित जातले. 50-51 वर्सांच्या वाटचालीत गोंयच्या स्पोर्ट्स क्षेत्रांत जे केन्ना सिरियसली विचार जातो ना अशा पद्दतीचो विचार ह्या काळात जालो आनी मोठ्या प्रमाणात इन्फ्रास्ट्रक्चर हांगा एड जावंक शकलो. आज लुसोफोनिया खातीर एक पयसो मेळत आसतना फाटल्या सरकारचे कमिटमेंट गव्हर्मेंट इज अ कंटिन्युअस प्रोसेस आनी त्या म्हयन्यात ताणें कितें तरी केलें पूण आमी आतां दुर्लक्ष करतले. हे केलें ना. ह्या सरकारान आपली जबाबदारी सांबाळून स्विकारून हे सगळे विक्रमी वेळान केल्ले आसा. अजून तशेच पयशे बी कांय मेळले.
हो जो ग्रावंड आमी रिनोवेशन करपाचें काम सादारणशें एक 12 म्हयन्या पयलीं हातांत घेतलें आनी हाजो कॉस्ट जो आसा 40 crore आमी ह्या रिनोवेशना खातीर खर्च केल्ले आसा. सगळ्यो फॅसिलिटी जेच्या मध्ये एक इंटरनॅशनल स्टँडर्ड दिवपाच्या दृश्टिकोनान आमचो प्रयत्न आसा. प्रयत्न जो आमी केल्लो ताका आज आमी सगळे पळयतना लक्षांत घेता की जो आमी सगळे अपेक्षा धरतले अशे तरेचो एक बरो ग्रावंड बरो सुसज्ज असो ताचें रिनोवेशन जावचें ही आमच्या सगळ्यांचीच मागणी आशिल्ली. ती मागणी आज पुराय जाता.
18 तारखेर उद्घाटन म्हणजे ओपनिंग सेरेमनी. म्हापश्यान 61 कोटीचो वयर इन्फ्रास्ट्रक्चर तयार जाता. इंडोर कॉम्प्लेक्स, मल्टीपर्पज कॉम्प्लेक्स, फील्ड ट्रॅक ताका क्लास 2 recognition गावला. इंटरनॅशनल क्लास 2.
Before we wind up, here is the quick recap of the headlines. BJP is taking the credit of approving 27% reservation for OBC, which was actually proposed by Congress government. Jitendra Deshprabhu. Chief Minister is fooling the people of Goa by his U-turns. Trajano Di Mello. And BJP government have provided international level infrastructure in field of sports for the first time in the history of Goa. Lakshmikant Parsekar. This news bulletin ends here. To follow the recent news and activities, keep watching RDX Goa. You can also watch the news on www.rdxgoa.com as well as on YouTube. You can also follow us on Facebook and Twitter. Goodbye.